Little storyteller.
Pithu was a little city squirrel with a bushy tail and bright eyes. He lived in a tall oak tree in the middle of a busy park. The park was also home to many plump gray pigeons who liked to strut around and coo. Lately, the pigeons had something new, tiny whirring machines that zipped through the air. These were the pigeons' new message delivery drones. They were small and black with spinning tops, carrying tiny rolled-up papers. Pip watched them zoom from rooftop to rooftop. He wondered what secret messages the pigeons were sending. Pip had an idea. He gathered his squirrel friends, Squeaky and Nutsy. "Let's build our own flying machines," he chattered excitedly, holding up a shiny acorn. "We can call them acorn-copters." Squeaky, who had soft gray fur and a twitchy nose, loved inventing things. Nutsy, big and strong, with a thick tail, was good at finding useful bits and pieces. The squirrels worked hard. Squeaky designed little propellers made of stiff leaves. Nutsy found light twigs to make the body of the acorn-copters. Pip carefully glued everything together with sticky tree sap. It took them many sunny afternoons, their little paws busy, and their eyes full of focus. Finally, they had 3 little acorn-copters. They were a bit wobbly but looked like they could fly. The squirrels gathered on a low branch, ready for their first flight. Pip wound up the leaf propeller of his acorn-copter and let it go. It zipped into the air, spinning round and round, before gently landing on a soft patch of grass. Squeaky and Nutsy cheered. Just then, a pigeon landed nearby. It was Percy, the friendliest pigeon in the park, with shiny black eyes and a purple and green neck. He watched the acorn-copters with curiosity. "Coo? What are those?" Percy asked, tilting his head. Pip explained all about their acorn-copters, and how they wanted to send messages too. Percy chuckled. "A soft coo-coo. Our drones mostly carry messages about where to find tasty crumbs," he said. "Sometimes, we tell each other about sunny spots for a nap." An idea popped into Pip's head. "Maybe we can share," he exclaimed. "Our acorn-copters can carry messages for the pigeons, and your drones can help us find the best acorns." Percy's eyes lit up. "Coo! That sounds like fun." From that day on, the squirrels and the pigeons worked together. The speedy pigeon drones helped the squirrels find the juiciest acorns hidden in the park, and the squirrels' little acorn-copters carried friendly notes between the pigeons on different rooftops. Sometimes, the notes even said, "Let's all meet for crumbs in the sunny spot." Pip, Squeaky, Nutsy, and Percy became the best of friends. They learned that even though they were different, they could help each other and have even more fun by working together. And that's how the city squirrels and the pigeons learned the wonderful value of sharing and friendship.
Please subscribe. Thank you.